Hello, I'm Professor Gillian Black from the Scottish Law Commission, and we have been carrying out a review of the civil remedies for domestic abuse. These are the protective orders that a court could grant to help protect a victim from their abuser, such as an interdict to prohibit certain abusive behaviour or an exclusion order to exclude the abuser from the house. They're different from the criminal responses to domestic abuse, where the police might arrest the abuser and the Procurator Fiscal could decide to prosecute in a criminal court, potentially leading to a jail sentence or fine. So we've been examining what the civil law currently says and how it works, and speaking to lots of people that work in this area: lawyers, judges, charities, support workers and social workers. And as a result of this, we have now published our discussion paper, which sets out the current law and all the problems with it. And we've put forward proposals for reform, suggestions to improve the law to offer better protection for victims and children. These include proposals to change the current law and also a proposal to introduce a new law of domestic abuse to make it a civil wrong, known in Scots law as a delict. This would include a definition of abusive behaviour in the civil context for the first time, including specific elements such as tech abuse, immigration abuse and economic abuse, all areas that we understand from stakeholders are a particular problem. We've also set out suggested new remedies to help victims, including protective orders and orders for the return of documents such as passports, or for the return of property, and for the safety and protection of pets. All these ideas are contained in our discussion paper, which was published on the 23rd of October 2024, and this is our consultation exercise. We are really keen to hear your views on our law reform proposals, and it's so important that the final recommendations that we make to the Scottish Government for law reform are supported by the public. So please do read our discussion paper and respond to our consultation questions. Now, it's quite a long document, so there's no need to read it all or respond to all the questions. You can focus on the bits that are most relevant to you and answer the questions there. For example, Chapter 4 sets out our suggestions to reform the existing law, Chapter 5 looks at our proposals for a new law, and Chapter 7 looks at specific problems faced by children in relation to domestic abuse. The closing date for responses is Wednesday the 22nd of January 2025, and we really hope you'll send in a response. Full details are available on the Scottish Law Commission website. Thank you very much.